In question 3, the problem statement says that if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. So basically, if 3, 4 lies on the graph of this equation, it means that 3, 4 satisfies this equation. Or in other words, if we substitute x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 into this equation, then the equation should be satisfied. And using this fact, we can find out the value of a. So let's do this. The equation is 3y equal to ax plus 7. So instead of y, we will substitute 4, and instead of x, we will substitute 3. So we get 3 times, and instead of y, we write 4 equal to ax, or a times 3, and then plus 7. Alright, now on the left side we get 12, 3 times 4 is 12, and on the right side we get a times 3 is 3a plus 7. This gives us 3a equal to 12 minus 7, or 5, and hence a is equal to 5 by 3. So if a is equal to 5 by 3, then the point 3, 4 will lie on the graph of this equation. This equation will become 3y equal to ax, or 5 by 3x plus 7. And you can now verify that if you plug in x equal to 3 and y equal to 4 into this equation will be satisfied. So the answer to this question is that the value of a is 5 by 3, and this completes question number 3.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.